Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into the Discord developer portal with your account. Make sure 2FA is enabled if prompted. Once logged in, click New Application and give it a clear name so you can identify it later. After you create the application, navigate to the Bot tab immediately. This gets you into the area where Bot accounts live. Pause here only to confirm the application name and ownership details, then proceed to add a bot to this application. Once your application exists, click Add Bot and confirm to create the bot user. This is what issues the token you need. Then go to the bot section, click Reveal Token to view it, and copy it into a secure place. Treat it like a password. Make sure to configure privileged intents and permission scopes now so the token reflects correct capabilities. When you're done, use the OAuth2 URL generator to craft an invite with the permissions you selected and test the bot in a controlled server. To finish, store the token securely. Use an environment variable or secret manager so your code never contains plaintext tokens. Once done, invite the bot to your test server using the previously generated OAuth2 URL and verify basic commands. If something goes wrong, regenerate the token immediately and replace it in your secrets. This invalidates the old token. If the bot won't join, double-check OAuth scopes, required intents, and server permissions, and make sure the account creating the invite has managed server rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.